తాకట్లో ఉన్న బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఆ రోజున మార్కెట్ ధర కట్టి మిగిలిన డబ్బును మీకు అందిస్తుంది కొమ్మూరి గోల్డ్.
Hi everyone, I am Ali Sheikh. So guys, today they asked me the question, what is required to speak English? The question is here, what is required to learn English? So see my brother and sister, these days, as you know that English has become a mandate language. English has become a mandate language, and I would like to add one more point here that English is no more language. Now English has become an art of earning the money, art of convincing the others. But the question is what is required to learn English? So basic thing, brother and sister, that what we need is that we need always remember my words that if you follow this 5 point, you never and ever face difficulty to learn English language. First point is you need to understand the parts of English. If you ask me what is the parts of English, see my brother, I am wearing a t-shirt. If you catch this t-shirt cloth and if you try to figure out which fabric is this, by catching this fabric, you cannot say, you need to have a test on that, either this belong to the linen, cotton, polyester. That is how you have to understand the English words like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, what is preposition. You need to understand the parts of speech. When you are good to go with this part, then second you have to come with the sentence formation. To make a sentence, you need to go for what I can say basic grammar. What is the tenses, and in one tense how many situations we have, and what are the helping verb for what these tense, what is the helping verb for that tense, what is the parts of speech, what is the tenses, what is in tenses, how many, what is simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. All these we need to understand. All we need to understand these things. And after these, my brothers and sisters, what is required when you know very well what is the basic English, then you need to understand the vocabulary. You need to have a huge content of vocabulary in you. Without vocabulary, without grammar, is English is not possible to learn. Then come to the next, listening skills. See my brother, one thing I would like to say, the more you speak, the better result will come out. Most important part, rather than speaking, what you can do is you start listening English. When you learn the English, when you listen the English continuously, day by day, things become very easy. And when you start listening, that English sentences start rolling on your tongue. Whenever you go, automatically the words and pronunciation of English words come correctly from your mouth. And next, after this, my brother, right environment. So one day night you will decide that I have to speak English with my friends. Next day morning again you get busy with your all stuff. You don't focus what is your main agenda today. You last night you decided. So make a atmosphere. When you have no atmosphere, then you have to join the institutions. Whereas you need to have the atmosphere for communicating. Whereas all the students and all the students should be equal. They have equally passionate of learning the language. Whereas being with that atmosphere, things become very easy to learn English language. Now come to the practice, brother and sisters. See here, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible without practicing. Practice make you perfect, and practice make you grow in your life. And practice is only one thing which you can go from the top to where you can go from dawn to the pinnacle. When you continuously practice day by day, trust my words that the person who is more better than you, but your practice will dominate him and you will go in the top of success one day. Keep practicing whatever the dream you have. Think big and work on that. I keep telling to my students, whereas I have trained almost for 8,000 students across the globe. I am not telling lies, guys. I have trained approximately 8,000 students here. Last 2017, I have been working here. Whereas I have trained 8,000 students, I keep telling them that There is no substitute for hardworking. These this sentence I have taken from my sir. His name is Mr. Anas sir. He is my trainer, mentor, and I keep taking the suggestions from him. And whatever I am today, because of Mr. Anas sir, he has guided me, suggested me. And whereas I would like to suggest all the students, whoever they are watching my video, and whoever they are sharing my video, I am very grateful for you. You are watching my video and you are sharing my video. In advance, I am thanking you for that. And second thing, that if you really want to learn the English language and you want to pursue your dream, when your dream are converting into the reality, it means that you have reached your pinnacle, you reach your goal. So whereas whoever they are facing the difficulty, particularly the people from the Andhra Pradesh and the UP, Bihar, and even same time the Uttarakhand, and people from the Gujarat, and people from the Karnataka, and people from different part of the country, whoever they are facing the difficulty in the time of communication, I request them, go and join the communication classes wherever you feel comfort, wherever you are convenient to join, and try to learn English. Without English, if you are education, you are a graduate or postgraduate, or you are the doctor, or you are the engineer, whatever you are, remember my words that without English, you are considered as a dumb candidate. When you are not contributing your views, when you are not sharing your experiences, when you are not sharing your thoughts, just you have to sit and you have to observe the people. Never and ever become the observer. You become the person to give the advice for others and train them, guide them, suggest them. In my conclusion, I would like to say, I would like to say, without English, we are nothing in this generation. Thank you so much.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDreams.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream ki iDream team andarki huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.